Welcome to the PGT Auto Detailing tool. This is a short video to demonstrate the culvert head wall soft drawing detailing tool. Here is the icon of the head wall. By single click on it, we can see the user interface of the tool. Here we must put all the input data as per the requirement. If the user wants to change the values, the user can change it. After completing the input data, click on the Create button. As per the input soft drawing of culvert head wall created with Plan A and Plan B along with all the dimensions, marks and demolder bars. Here we can see elevation of A and B units with all the dimensions and marks. Now on the right hand side, we can see the section view. (3D) view also created here. We can the tranche screen, handrail, typical connection type. Here is the connection details. These are the bar details. And here we can see our final output. Thank you.